Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. It's your boy Rile. So in today's video, I'm gonna be doing another trade breakdown. Okay, so we will be breaking down a trade. I just took on the AudChf. It's a sell trade. I just wanted us to start right here on the higher time frame and basically highlight what's going on. So I want us to pay attention to this major area right here. Let me highlight it. Okay, sweet. Okay, I want us to pay attention to that, this green area that I just highlighted. Okay, so as you guys can see, there's been support there, in the past, and as well as there's been like major resistance right there. Okay, so that's a signal for me, that this area, like, it's an area of significance. Okay, and then price came back right at that area right there. Let me try zooming in. Didn't really break out of the area, it just because there wasn't a candle that formed and closed above the area, so generally didn't break above the area. So let me just delete this green thing. Delete. Okay, so price is currently at that area. Let me try going on the 4 hour. Okay, cool. 4 hour. As you guys can see, price literally started going from this whole downtrend. It started getting weaker and coming to the downside, and I want us to pay attention to something in particular. Okay, being this level right here. Okay, so we've had price go up, form this reversal candle, and then price coming down, and then price going back to the upside to retest this level of highlighted in green, forming this bearish engulfing candle. Okay, so as soon as that happened, I went short, and then this is where I set my targets right on the wick. Okay, and then my stops, I just set them above there. Okay, above these two highs. Okay, so I'll just be patient. So in terms of managing this trade, what I'm planning to do is that as soon as the market reaches a 1:1 risk to reward ratio, I will be breaking even on this trade, and then just using a trend line to basically manage the trade and measure the strength of the move to the downside. Okay, so I'll keep you guys posted. Okay guys, back at it. So this is the trade, AudChf. So I was not necessarily in front of the charts when this whole down move happened, so I was not there to break even, but then here I am right now. So I'm gonna be breaking even on this trade. Let me just so yeah guys, I was able to break even on this trade. So now in terms of managing the trade, I'm gonna go down, not necessarily in the 15, I want to go on the 5 minutes. No. Okay, cool. That's me on the 5-minute time frame. Okay, so what I normally do to manage my trade is that I apply a trend line. Okay, so what this trend line necessarily does is that it helps me measure out the strength of the market. As you guys can see, now the market is literally reversing. Okay, so this is a signal for me that now it's time to exit, in terms of it respecting the trend line. Okay, so normally in my natural style of trading, what I normally do, okay, is that I look for trades that as you can see, this is a sell trade. If ever, trades that I normally look for are trades that will get stronger in terms of trend. Okay, so if this was the trend line, then this is how I'd want the trade to be for me to continue holding the trade, and then I'd want the gradient to slope more down to the downside than to the upside. Okay, so since this is the case, I'm just simply waiting for this candle to close. Okay, as soon as it closes, then I will be exiting this trade right here, okay, relative to the trend line. Okay, so let's see. Okay, yep, there we are. Hopefully my connection is good. Close. Okay, there we go. Okay, so I'm out of the trade. This was me in the trade. So straight from here, let me try going back on the 1 hour. Okay, cool. So generally this was the trade. I got a sell right here. Let me just, yes, so like I got the sell right here, and then I've been holding it to the downside. Let me just remove this. Okay, I've been holding this trade to the downside, and then use the trend line to exit in terms of like the trend line getting broken. Okay, so I'm not necessarily saying that this will not continue going to the downside, but like this strategy of exiting trades has really helped me out a lot in terms of like avoiding to be stopped out at break even, in terms of like large amounts of my trades. So yeah, this is the trade on the USD CHF. Please hit that like button, and make sure to subscribe to the channel for more fire content. That's it from me, really. Signing out. I love you guys.